Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a comparison between the Sovol SV06 Plus and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. Let's see which one suits your needs best. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sovol SV06 Plus is priced at a wallet-friendly $399. Meanwhile, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max will set you back $719. That's a significant difference, and for some, it could be a deal breaker. Reviewers have highlighted the Sovol's affordability as a major plus, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. Next, let's discuss printing speed. The Sovol SV06 Plus offers a respectable speed of 250 millimeters per second. However, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max takes it to another level, with a blazing speed of 500 millimeters per second. Reviewers have praised the Kobra 2 Max for its speed, making it ideal for those who want quick results. When it comes to printing size, the Sovol SV06 Plus offers a build volume of 300 by 300 by 340 millimeters. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max boasts a massive 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters build area. This makes the Kobra 2 Max perfect for larger projects, as noted by users who appreciate its capacity for sizable prints. User experience is crucial. The Sovol SV06 Plus comes with a 4.3-inch touchscreen and user-friendly interface. Yet, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max steps it up with smart app control, allowing you to manage prints from your phone. Reviewers love the convenience of the Kobra's advanced tech features. Auto-leveling can save you a lot of hassle. The Sovol SV06 Plus features a 25-point auto-leveling system, which is quite effective. However, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max has a unique module that not only auto-levels but also compensates for Z-axis offset. Reviewers have found the Kobra's system to be more precise and reliable. Finally, let's consider customer service. Both Sovol and Anycubic offer a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. While Sovol has mixed reviews about their service, with some users experiencing issues, Anycubic has been praised for quick and efficient support. Both companies promise to assist you when needed, making this category a tie. Overall, reviews for the Sovol SV06 Plus highlight its affordability and good print quality, making it a favorite among budget-conscious users. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is praised for its speed, large build volume, and advanced features, making it ideal for tech enthusiasts and those needing larger prints. So, there you have it. The Sovol SV06 Plus is a budget-friendly, reliable option with decent speed and size. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, on the other hand, is a high-speed, large-format beast with all the bells and whistles. Which one should you buy? That's up to you! Let us know in the comments which printer you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Happy 3D printing!